You take life insurance. Everyone here who has taken a life insurance, do you hope you will claim it or your child will claim it? You hope you will claim it, no? Not your child. It's a 25-year policy. You hope to claim it, not your child. If anything happens, my child will be okay. That's insurance. That's called insurance policy. But you don't take an insurance policy planning. 25 years, na, theek hai, 20 saal mein chale jayega. Nobody plans that. With all this, more than the problem being external, it seems to be this sense of insecurity that I am having that is responsible for it. So much so that very often, even when I point out the freedom that is possible, people are scared to try. They have got so used to living in their cocoon of insecurity and limitations, like a caged bird. Like a caged bird, you open the door and say, fly. The bird doesn't fly. You bring it out, it flutters around a bit and wants to come back. So that bird, I have to take out my hand and show it the vast sky and keep it there for some time. Let it flutter around and come back to me, let it flutter, come back, and then it will fly. Takes its own time. We all seem to be like that. No, I don't want any great freedom, etc. But if I can live a little better. Okay, that's just not bad as a starting point. As a starting point, that is not bad. So how do I enjoy this freedom? How do I enjoy this freedom? How do I claim this freedom in the first place? Is there something called freedom available? If you look at the word freedom, it always implies freedom from something, isn't it? Freedom means what? When you ask a child, freedom from parental control. Freedom from your worry, freedom, it always implies freedom from what? What do you want your freedom from?